to number 3. So square root of x plus y plus xy is equals to 21. So we'll just first convert it to exponent form. So plus xy, so just copy, equals to 21. So after this one, we will differentiate. So 1 half, just copy inside. So 1 half minus 1, negative 1 half. So derivative inside is 1 plus y prime. So plus x y prime. So plus y multiplied by derivative of x is just equals to 1. So is equals to derivative of constant 21 is equals to 0. So after this one, we will distribute this term and this term. So we have 1 half multiplied by x plus y, negative raised to the power of negative 1 half. So plus y prime all over 2 multiplied by x plus y raised to the power of negative 1 half plus x y prime plus y is equals to 0. So take note that we have a negative exponent. So this term and this term will be put into the denominator. So we have 1 all over 2 multiplied by x plus y raised to the power of 1 half plus y prime all over 2 multiplied by x plus y raised to the power of 1 half plus x y prime plus y is equals to 0. So after this one, this this term are containing y prime. So we will isolate them. So we have y prime. So y prime all over 2 x plus y. So just copy. So plus x y prime. So we'll just combine the terms that are having y prime and the terms that are not having y prime. So we will combine these two. This will combine this also. So we have 2. So just copy the denominator. So just copy y prime plus 2x y prime. So x plus y raised to the power of 1 half. So plus, so just also combine here. So just copy denominator all over. So just copy 1. So plus 2y multiply by x plus y raised to the power of 1 half is equals to 0. So after this one, we will this term here will be put to the right equation. So we have, so we'll try to isolate y prime. So y prime multiplied by 1 plus 2x. So we have proper bracket. So 2x multiplied by x plus y raised to the power of 1 half multiply. So all over 2 multiplied by x plus y raised to the power of 1 half is equals to negative. So put negative. So 1 plus 2y raised to the power of x plus y raised to the power of 1 half all over. So 2 multiplied by x plus y raised to the power of 1 half. So after this one, we will this term. So if we put this term to the left side, so it will be cancelled. So we just cancel directly. So I hope you understand why we cancel it, because if we put this term to the left side by cross multiplication, it will just also be cancelled. So we'll just cancel. So the remaining will be and this also term, this term also, the numerator, we will put it by cross multiplication, we'll put this to the denominator. So we have y prime is equals to negative. So just copy the numerator. So x plus y raised to the power of 1 half all over. So just copy the numerator containing having y prime. So 1 plus 2x multiplied by x plus y raised to the power of 1 half. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So don't be confused because we'll just cancel the denominator both sides, and then we will just divide both sides by this term here. This term we had just shortcut because it has to save time. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer is negative 1 plus 2y multiplied by x square root of x plus y all over all over 1 plus 2x multiplied by square root of x plus y. So our answer here is correct because square root and raised to the power of 1 half is just equals. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 3. Sorry, let's proceed to number 5.